Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today we will write a program to read from a file line by line and display words separated by a hashtag. Here we already have our file which has the lines that we're going to be joining by a hashtag. So let's get started. First we will open our file. So we're going to say file equals open and the name of our file is going to be line.txt. Since we're going to be reading from it, we're going to pass an r as our second argument. So for this one, we're going to create a temporary variable to hold each line. So we're going to say line equals. And since we want to read a line, we're going to say file.readLine. Let's see what this prints out. As you can see, this readLine function returns one line. And so what we can do now is we're going to be using a while loop to loop through all of the lines. So we're going to say while line print line for now. And now if we end it at this, it's just gonna be looping through the same thing over and over, and we don't want that. We want a line variable to change so that we can end at some point. So we're gonna reassign our line variable at the end. We'll say line equals, and then file.readLine again. Now let's see what this prints out. As you can see, it loops through each line, and we got all of our lines here. When there's no more lines, file.readLine will return an empty string, and that's when the while loop breaks. So now here we already have most of our code done. Now we need to separate out the words from each line. So we're gonna say line equals line.split, and then if we now run it again, it shows us a list of all of the words. And as you can see, all the words are in a line are stored in a list where each element is a word in that specific line. So now with this, here we can use the join method. We can say hashtag.join, and if we run the program again, as you can see, this line needs to be joined and we get a hashtag in between each word, and this is exactly what we want. Now the use case for this is just string.join. It can be any type of string. It doesn't necessarily have to be a hashtag. If we switch this to be a $sign, it will still work. This $sign, as you can see, it changes. So you can use any type of string in here. It doesn't even have to be special characters. It can be words as well. And if you don't want to use the .join function, you can also create another loop. You can say for I in line, print I n equals, and then you don't put anything there. Then you say if I is not equal to line of -1, you're gonna print the hashtag. So we say print hashtag n equals quotes, and then we're gonna print here. And now if we run this, as you can see, we get the same thing. And that's all for this video. Thank you.